everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I'm going to prepare my own recipe, fish kinilaw. Fish kinilaw, guys, is a uncooked fish, fresh fish. And now we start. First is I need a ginger. You need to clean it first, and then you need to slice a very small one. It's up to you guys how many ginger you need. But for me, I do not measuring because this is my own recipes. But for me, I put a lot of ginger because the ginger gives more tasty if you cooking your food, because I did not use any seasoning when I do my food. All is healthy. So you need to slice very small, like the chop what you want. You can do if you have own design. And then you need to put in the extra bowl. And then the next one is onion. I use 1 onion. Again, it's up to you how many you like to put it. But I use only 1 onion. And then you need to slice also. And then you put it in the same bowl. And then you must mix this one. Okay, like this. And then the next one is lemon or calamansi. Yeah, the fresh one, it's better. And then you need to squeeze like that. And then after that, you need to mix it again. And then you need to put organic vinegar, apple cider. Yeah, it's up to you guys how many shots you want to put it, or spoon. And then the next one is salt. You need to put into the fish and mix it, the fries. Okay, and then after that you need to put more vinegar, and then you need to squeezing the fresh fish, and then before you put it into the another bowl. And then the rest sauce is you need to throw away. And then this is it. You need to mix it, mix there, mix here, and then you need to add a pepper, and yeah, black pepper. And then you need to mix again, and then more vinegar. I like more sour, guys, and this is it. Ta-da! Wow. If you want more sour, guys, you can add more of vinegar, and you can put more salty. You want salt, more salt, but for me this is enough. This is my taste.